What's up, folks? Fishing fam. We're at Manila. Don't know if they've stocked anything recently, but they did redo this whole pond. Like, they had it basically drained down to nothing from all of winter. Then they just filled it up a couple weeks ago, but there's fountains everywhere now. Looks good. We did the shorelines, as you can tell. Literally all I brought with me was my batteries and a small little box with some Castmasters and HD Trouts and whatnot. Let's see, made the cast. I'm just gonna let it sink for a long time. Oh, I got one. Yep. Super small guy. Holy heck, that thing's tiny. Oh, there he goes. Okay, reel it really slow. That's what I let it sink to the bottom, and I was reeling it super slow. Look how cool that is. So I was just looking at like the water's flowing in that pipe, right? And then there's this little rock wall that goes all the way to the other side. But the water's too low to drain on the other side, so it's gonna flow over and fill this up. Ooh, that was a bite. They had to have stocked this place. Just no one's reporting it. Oh, the bite died. Got one, guys. Finally. Oh man, super small one again. Holy frick, this thing is small. Okay, I'm gonna ease him in this time. This thing is just so tiny. Oh, that's an okay size one. You know what? I'm hungry. I'm gonna keep it. I'm hungry, want some fish. Even though it's stocked, it's not gonna be super good. But that has a lot to do with the seasoning, so I'll just season it really well. And they're not gonna get much bigger than this in here. Okay, let's get the butter on there. This is a lot of butter, so I'm just gonna hold it on there. Okay, I'm just going to put some seasonings in the pan. Okay, gonna throw the fish on. That's super hot. Like, it's already burning the butter. Like, there's no in between with the stove. And then get some of this lemon. Okay, I turned it off. Okay, I barely turned it back on. Maybe I found the perfect balance. Caught this trout literally like a half hour ago. Threw him on a stringer. I came here, threw this on a log. Just shady, more shady than the park I was at. You know, then I would be able to talk loud and no interruptions. No one's looking at me weird. Okay, I want to get some more butter in there. Alright, I tested this out like last week. I overcooked the fish. So I'm going to try to be more careful. This thing does get really hot, so it could cook the outside a lot faster than the inside. I'm just going to put some lemon pepper and seasoning on this side. Now I'm going to flip it. It's dying. It's supposed to sound like a jet engine. There you go. Opened it up a little bit. It's so loud. Okay. Looks like it's pretty, it might be done. Let's give it a go. Whoa. I don't know. It looks done. Maybe a little, I don't know, can't really tell. Maybe a slightly under, but it's not bad. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's toasty. Need to throw some salt on there. Hey, but if you guys want to see more catch and cooks, let me know, like in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, because I'm actually getting a camp stove, or in a few weeks for my birthday, and because I want to do a lot of these. But let me know, suggestions you guys have. If you guys want to see any other fish cooked, or, well, that's pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, or consider it. Thanks guys. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna calm down.